Now, I've heard some folks say the squirrel child still roams these parts. And some nights, when the moon is full and his monstrous buck teeth ache to nibble, you might, if you're unlucky, hear his blood-curdling cry.
Oh, sorry. All that food. It's making me hungry.
Was he kidding? I'm so exhausted I couldn't eat a wee morsel. Oh, that hits the spot.
Great. Even my roasting stick is weak and pathetic.
Hey, don't that look just like my man Ellie?
What was with Elliot this morning anyway?